What's up guys, Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm going to teach you 5 butters you should just try. They're super fun. So the first butter is going to be a Euro revert. So basically you're going to hardcore reverse Euro carve and then revert out of it. Now you can do this super fast. You can do it super slow. I end up doing this all the time just on not accident, but just the best way to come out of a reverse Euro carve. If you don't want to keep carving switch, you can just revert nicely. I do recommend knowing how to reverse Euro carve before trying this trick, and if you don't know how to do that, there's a video right here where you can learn that, and then you can come and build on it with this trick right here. The next butter, this one's super fun when you're going really fast or on a powder day. You can get really good sprays, not like today, but it's a hot garbage, and then you really push hard on that toe side edge at the tail, like really the last part of your board, and you create a spray. Tomie just showed me this trick and it's super fun. I'm still learning it myself, but I want to share it with you guys because it's sick, and if you can dial it in like Tomie does, it's really, really cool and fun to do, and it's just a cool new way to get like a face shot on a powder day. So this butter, I totally thought of myself. I know other people have done it, but I haven't figured out the exit that well. But basically, you hardcore like heel edge press on your back heel edge, then you revert to your nose side edge, keeping that press, your tail up in the air. And then the best way out of it that I can figure out is just to like revert 360 out. Either way, it's a super fun butter. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, so hard heel side butter to revert to tail side or nose toe edge butter to then 360 revert out. It's fun when you do it, and you do it at a decent speed. It looks really cool, and you'll blow some people's minds. Now this was another trick inspired by Tomie. I never really used to do these, and he's all about them. The layback, where you just basically let your other upper body die, and you hold your nose up. It's very similar to a tripod, but instead of holding your upper body, you're just laying on the ground. It's cool, it's kind of fancy. It gets really fun to just throw it into the vlog here and there, but you guys should try it. Anytime you're rubbing your gear against the snow or laying on the snow, you get one, a little dirty, two, you can kind of tear your gear up, so just know that is a possibility. And the final fun butter, that's kind of a trick, but kind of a butter, but you should still learn and try to do it, and the point of this video is just to show you cool tricks to try, is a tail block. Now do be careful with this. I have popped edges doing tail blocks. This board's trash. It's kind of my buttery play around board, so I'll do tail blocks on it now. But basically you're up to a nice wall of snow that you can kind of ride up, nice pitch to it. You pop, dig your nose or your tail of your board in, or you could do your nose, it's whatever you prefer, and then you grab your nose, flex your board, and then spring out of it. It's super fun, super sick, and you gotta try it. Alright guys, those are 5 tricks, butters, things that you should try. They're super fun. The best part about these tricks are there's still things about them that I'm working on, and they're so fun to do. So you guys should go out, try them. Until you start trying them, you won't be able to do it. So don't look at those tricks and be like, I'll never be able to do that. Go out and try it. I really encourage you to. They're really fun tricks. I hope you guys liked this video though. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to the channel so I can help you see and learn and do more tricks. Just like this season, if you can't already tell, I'm riding with Tomie, someone who has a bunch of other tricks that's teaching me tricks, and that's really sick. So the more people you ride with, you can learn new tricks, or the more of my videos that you watch, you can learn new tricks. Knowing is learning, or learning is knowing. Basically, the more you know, the more you learn, the more you do. I'm rambling at this point. Guys, if you want any of my evolution stickers, they're linked in the description, and then tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. And with that, Team Huckhouse, thanks for riding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger.
What's up, guys? Another Snowboard 101 course. Today we're gonna cover